If every site in your business has different control panels, you don't have multiple systems, you have multiple problems. This is what we see all the time. Different panel layouts at every site, different PLC approaches, different documentation, or none at all. And what does that lead to? Slower fault finding, more downtime, engineers constantly trying to figure things out. The problem isn't the equipment, it's the lack of standardization. Because when every system is different, your engineers can't move between sites easily. Troubleshooting takes longer. You rely on specific individuals who just know the system. That's where the real cost sits. Standardization doesn't mean making everything identical. It means making everything predictable, structured, and easy to understand. So no matter which site you're on, the system works the same way. Here's how to standardize your control panels. Step 1. Define a clear design standard. Start with the basics: panel layouts, wiring conventions, labeling structure. Create a standard that every panel follows. Step 2. Standardize your PLC structure. Align your PLC platforms, programming style, and tag naming, so engineers aren't relearning systems every time. Step 3. Use modular designs. Instead of one-off builds, create repeatable sections: motor control, I/O, safety. This reduces variation and speeds up projects. Step 4. Fix your documentation. Every panel should have clear drawings, I/O lists, and network layouts, and they should all look the same across sites. Step 5. Roll it out gradually. You don't need to fix everything at once. Start with new projects, high-risk systems, and planned shutdowns. Build consistency over time. Now, what to avoid? Don't try to standardize everything overnight. It won't stick. Don't ignore existing site differences. Standards need to be flexible. And don't focus only on hardware. This is about software, documentation, and your engineering approach. When every site is different, you're building complexity into your business. Standardization removes that. It makes your systems easier to run, easier to maintain, and far more reliable. If your sites all look different and it's causing problems, it's not just an engineering issue, it's a business risk. If you want systems that are consistent, clear, and built to scale, that's exactly what we help companies do at Stratos.